How have positions changed? Tehseen Poonawalla, now you will also say that the Shiv Sena is a secular party because you are also in alliance with them. But let me remind you, the Congress repeatedly has said about Shiv Sena and Shashi Tharoor, the most middle of the path liberal that exists in the Congress party, says major difference. Kerala welcomes people from everywhere, whereas Mr. Thackeray does not. I celebrate diversity, not chauvinism. And he said that the Shiv Sena was a chauvinistic party. Not just that, you know the history. What all Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray has said about the Congress party. If the Congress can ally with the Shiv Sena, why can't Mr. Ajit Pawar ally with the BJP?
Because there's a fundamental difference. The Congress brings extremists, whether it's Shiv Sena or IMUL, within the Constitution of India and within democracy and secularism. The BJP does is it uses muscle power and money power to violate the same Constitution and Schedule 10 of the Constitution. There's a difference. One brings you within the Constitution, one takes you away from the Constitution. Point number two, I am not saying Ajit Pawar ji is corrupt, not corrupt, Praful Patel ji is corrupt, not corrupt. I am saying I take my Prime Minister extremely seriously. He said 3 days ago they were corrupt. If they were corrupt, why did you take them? Chalo, Maharashtra, you did Chanakya Niti. You said the Chanakya Niti was with Eknath Shinde when you all broke Eknath Shinde. That time, after that, when all the opinion polls came out and said that the BJP, despite Eknath Shinde is not doing well, you've done this. In Goa, they took a minister accused of child rape and made him a minister. Is this BJP's morality? I am saying the Congress is bad. Therefore, the people of India punished Congress. BJP said they are making a new India. BJP should have said new India is exactly like old India. Then we would have said, had they got 300 votes. The fact of the matter is the Prime Minister and the BJP only want power, but Eknath Shinde ji or Ajit Pawar ji, Maharashtra, they are not going to get more than 10 Lok Sabha seats. This has been a disastrous move, not just for the BJP, but in particular for Devendra Fadnavis ji. I feel extremely bad for him. He was first Chief Minister, then Deputy Chief Minister, and now half Chief Minister, half Deputy Chief Minister.
Shehzad Poonawalla, please respond.
Navika, first of all, and I hope Tehseen won't interrupt me, I heard him out patiently. He said we bring extremists into the constitutional fold. पता नहीं कल दाऊद इब्राहिम और याकूब मेमन को भी ये पार्टी में लाने की वकालत करेंगे, but that is not the question. Let me address सिद्दीकी साहब. सिद्दीकी साहब ने बोला कि अब शिवसेना, उद्धव सेना बड़ी सेकुलर हो चुकी है. 2023 का बयान है. असेंबली में झगड़ा चल रहा था. उद्धव ठाकरे कहते हैं चंद्रकांत पाटिल जो हमारे फॉर्मर स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट थे उनको, आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि हमारा कोई रोल नहीं था बाबरी गिराने में? हमारा पूरा रोल था, हमने लात मार के बाबरी गिराई. ये सेकुलरिज्म का इनको लगा है स्वाद. और दूसरा स्टेटमेंट, सिद्दीकी साहब सुनिए कान खोल के, मुस्लिम्स वोटिंग राइट्स शुड बी रिवोक्ड. संजय राउत, मतलब आपको कोई विधानसभा राज्यसभा भेजना तो दूर की बात, आपका वोटिंग राइट ही छीनना है इनको. पर ये सेकुलर हो गई. चलिए ठीक है, आपने कहा कि आइडियोलॉजी बड़ा हमने कॉम्प्रोमाइज कभी नहीं किया है. ये स्टेटमेंट है शरद पवार जी का.
ये तब तक ये गाड़ी चलने वाली है वहाँ, तो आपको पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं लगती कि शिवसेना और आपकी जो कांग्रेस पार्टी है मिलके कभी सरकार बना लेंगे वहाँ? कहाँ? मुंबई में सेना के साथ? हाँ, हमारी पार्टी कभी सेना के साथ सरकार नहीं बनेगी, ना बीजेपी के साथ.
चलिए, अब बीजेपी के साथ कभी सरकार नहीं बनाएगी, सेना के साथ कभी सरकार नहीं बनाएगी, ये शरद पवार जी ने कहा था. परंतु 2014 आते आते शरद पवार जी कहते हैं कि देखिए ये सेकुलरिज्म और महाराष्ट्र को बचाने के लिए बड़ा अत्यंत है, इसलिए हमने बीजेपी को समर्थन दे दिया. ये उनका ऑन रिकॉर्ड स्टेटमेंट है. चलिए, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, अब उन्होंने करप्शन की बात की, मैं 2-3 सवाल बात रखना चाहता हूं. इन्होंने कहा कि करप्शन का चार्ज लगा रहे थे. उद्धव जी ने सबसे पहले, नाविका जी ये देखिए, उद्धव जी ने कहा कि शरद पवार महाभ्रष्ट है. ये उद्धव जी का था. हमारे बड़े एलाई भी थे बीजेपी के, शिवसेना के लोग बड़े एलाई थे हमसे. उन्होंने कहा कि शरद पवार भ्रष्ट है, हमने माना उनकी बात को. फिर 2019 में वही खुद मिल गए शरद पवार और एनसीपी से, मतलब कि उन्होंने ही माना कि उनके ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप नहीं है. तो हमने तो उद्धव ठाकरे को फॉलो किया है. पर चलिए मैं छोड़ देता हूं इस विषय को. मैं 2 सवाल तहसीन से स्पेसिफिकली पूछना चाहता हूं. सवाल नंबर 1, अगर ईडी से सब लोग कंट्रोल हो रहे हैं तो मान्यवर बताइए, जयंत पाटिल पर तो चार्ज है ईडी का, वो क्यों नहीं आए? और दिलीप वलसे पाटिल पर कौन सा चार्ज है? उनके ऊपर तो कोई चार्ज नहीं. वो कैसे? एक सेकंड सुन लीजिए. सेकंड नहीं, लेट मी कंप्लीट. ओके. एंड तहसीन पूनावाला, यू हैव सेड 70,000 करोड़ मोदी जी का स्टेटमेंट. चलिए सब मानते हैं. First, you admit that this 2004 to 14, under your CM, a 70,000 crore scam took place. Yes or no?
No, it didn't. Modi ji lied.
Then it did not take place. Then you are every day asking कि कार्रवाई क्या होगी, कार्रवाई क्या होगी, कार्रवाई क्या होगी. But now let me finish.
Sir, let me answer. No. Now you give me. Let me answer.
No. You asked 2 questions.
Last statement. I promise last statement.
Okay, last.
I'll show you difference between Modi guarantee and Congress guarantee. Congress during its tenure shut cases under Lalu, under Mulayam Singh, disproportionate assets case. But Modi ji, Pratap Sarnaik, who was in Shiv Sena, Uddhav Sena.
Mumbai
Wait,
police
one second.
Mumbai police
One
closed
second.
the
Don't
case.
interrupt me. Mumbai police in 2021 shut the Tops case against him.
Yeah.
But our government ED went to December 2022 to High Court and said nothing doing. The case will continue. This is Modi ki guarantee, and this is Congress ki nakli warranty that they take back the cases when it is convenient. We, whether it is our ally
Tehseen-
or not our ally,
Tehseen Poonawalla.
cases continue
Tehseen
as
Poonawalla.
per
Now-
the law, and therefore the cases will continue.
Shehzad on national TV, the BJP spokesperson, has completely exposed himself. Two things. He now rightfully admits, yes, there is no scam, but not me. Devendra Fadnavis says Ajit Pawar will be chakki, pissing. That is the sword of bullying and threats by which they get people inside the party. He asked about Dilip Valse Patil. Yes, there is no corruption charge on Dilip Valse Patil, but Dilip Valse Patil played an important role as Home Minister of Maharashtra by allowing Eknath Shinde to defect with all of those MLAs and ministers, thereby instructing DGP Police, DGP Intelligence, CP Mumbai not to have the convoy movement, which is recorded for police for ministers reach the Chief Minister, thereby allowing them to go from one state to another. Otherwise, Navika ma'am, is it practically possible for 20-30 MLAs and ministers to go from one state to another with police security and no details of the movement logged in? The Home Minister played that role. Therefore, they've treated him, and he's exposed out here.
आप फंसे हैं फ्लैशबैक में यहाँ पर
फ्लैशबैक अभी की बात उसने दिलीप वलसे पाटिल पे पूछा,
नहीं,
इसलिए
but
मैंने जवाब
I'm
दिया।
telling you that after that incident there is a new incident. घर के सारे बदल डाले. There is nobody left now. NCP is here, Shiv Sena
Just give me
is
30
here.
seconds,
And
I'll
no,
expose it.
your
Just 30,
time
I
is
request-
over.
just request you
Anand
30,
Ranganathan.
request you 30 seconds.
Anand
30. Anand, give me 30.
Anand
I'm just
Ranganathan.
quoting one thing. 30
Anand.
seconds. One request. 30 seconds. Anand, very sorry. 30 seconds. In the assembly, Eknath Shinde says, and I translated in Hindi, he says this in Marathi. He says, Ajit Pawar comes up to me and says, Eknath, had you told me, I would have made you CM by whispering in Uddhav Thackerayji's ears. And I told him, Dada, you are the problem that you whisper in Uddhav Thackeray's ears. You are the problem. That's why we left the Shiv Sena. The same Ajit Pawar who was the problem is today Deputy Chief Minister with the same Eknath Shinde. Hypocrisy की भी कोई सीमा होती है, ऐसे मोदी जी
एक
ने
वाक्य
कहा।
मुझे भी दे दो, एक वाक्य मुझे
अरे
दे दो।
आनंद का टाइम है।
नहीं, एकनाथ शिंदे का बयान याद है ना?
पण काँग्रेस पक्षामध्ये एवढे हिजडे होते इतके त्यात चावायचं तरी कोणाला
नहीं, सुन लो, एकनाथ शिंदे से सबसे सर्वमान्य नेता है।
हिजड्यांची अवलाद जो पण या देशाचे राज्य करते आहे
कौन है ये?
Well,
नाम पता है?
well,
स्वर्गीय बाला साहेब ठाकरे। अब
well,
बताओ।
let's not use.
मैंने तो नहीं, ये तो स्वर्गीय
उनको लाया ना सेंटर में, बाला साहेब ठाकरे ने लाया था।
Shehzad,
सेंटर में लाया था।
you just pick up and play out a clip, you know, for
इन्होंने तो
which,
quote किया,
for
मैंने
which
तो
I
clip
will
सुना
go to
दी।
jail. For which I will go to jail.
नहीं, why will you go to
won't,
jail?
But that's.
बाला साहब की बात पे कोई जेल नहीं जाएगा, ये डंके की चोट पे हम भी मानते हैं इस बात
But
को।
let me, no,
हम भी
no,
मानते हैं इस बात को।
the channel takes no responsibility
No, I
for the
take
clip that
responsibility for Bala
was
Saheb.
played.
I
here.
take responsibility for Bala Saheb.
But
हमारे नेता हैं।
okay, any legal notices may please be
Please
directed to
send it
the
to me.
BJP
Please send it to
spokesperson.
me.
But